Today, I will show you how to make an end dam on a window and door flashing. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. First, cut the drip edge at 1 inch. And then cut it off. From there, make another cut at the window length, as well as another cut 1 inch further. Cut the second piece of drip edge off. Now, bend the drip edge up with seaming pliers. And squeeze the sides to flatten them. There it is. You have your slope here. The water can't get behind here. And that's an end dam on a window or door flashing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.